Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add reviews to your Shopify store. Now the way that you would do this is by heading over to the search right here and typing in product reviews. You're going to be presented with an option to search for this in the Shopify App Store. And then from here, as you can see, there's a lot of apps that you can get here. Now I'm going to be using the first one, because it is made by Shopify themselves. You can use a different one, but I'm gonna use this one. Now what you want to do is just click add app and then install app. So what you want to do from here is simply just head over back to the previous tab and go to your online store so that you can edit it. From here you're gonna want to click customize, go into your catalog like this. And from here, simply click on the product right here. And then click Add Block. And from here, simply select Reviews under the Apps tab. So it should be right here somewhere. Yep, it's right here. Now once you've written a random review, you can select Submit Review. And then click Save. Now this review is only a test review. If we go to our store right now and we go to the catalog, let's click on here, and as you can see, there are no customer reviews. Now the other thing that you can do is head over to the reviews app. Now you can do this by exiting right here and going into apps right here, then click product reviews. From here, you can edit the settings. So as you can see, this is the test review that we've written, and we can publish selected reviews. And there you go. That's how to add reviews on your Shopify store. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.